of birds in cold weather. This is a little passive solar cubby that I just threw together, and it's just two sliding glass door windows, a very simple frame that took less than an hour out of scrap wood to throw together. It's at an angle and it's facing the south. So right now it is, I don't know, about 20 degrees. The sun is shining, and inside that cubby is 60 degrees. So that's where I have 4 water buckets in there. So 60 degrees inside that passive solar water cubby when the sun is shining. It just got up to 70 a few minutes ago, but it's partial cloud, so it's not as sunny as it was a minute ago. But that was up to 60 degrees in there, 70 degrees in there. Plenty warm enough to keep the water from freezing. Now, where I have ducks and I have geese, it's pretty hard to keep the inside of that glass clean because they'll put their old head and neck right in there and splash around, and so the inside of that gets dirty. It still allows the sun in there to keep that ice thawed or keep it from that water from freezing. So that works. That works. Now over here, I've got a smaller window that's probably close to 4 by 4 feet by 4 feet, and that's just leaning up right there. And I've got 2 water buckets in there. So it just works, folks. It just works. If the sun is shining and it's cold, if it's winter, that's a lot less water handling you have to do. And where I have no running water here, that means less water hauling for me. So I've got to spread some shavings because the sun is hitting that dirt right there and it's getting a little muddy. So what I like to do, I did this before the snow. I put a whole block of shavings where I walk, and that turned to ice because that's where they walk. That'll melt if the sun keeps shining. Over here, I did the same thing. Where I walk and where the ducks walk, I just put some shavings down. It just works, folks. It works.